beautiful though. So beautiful. Auntie Stade's working out. The boys are out there with her, and we're watching a show. Whoa, you okay? Whoa, say I okay. He's gonna get us all stinky. Wild dude. Hannah was dressed cute, but had a blowout. Say that's what I do, baby boo. So those vlogs are not great. The first two. Next couple will probably not be great either. Because I've been out of it, but out of the vlogging world for a minute. But I will be doing it the right way, not all just for my stories. So stay tuned. But I want to keep all those memories in one place. So I still did those videos anyway, but just know it will be better. Back to the good stuff. Just chilling out here. Look at our view. It's been rainy all morning, but we're determined. The rain's gone. We're gonna go on a walk.
I'm gonna go see
Oh wow. Another day. Ready to take our orders, huh? I'll take a chocolate Oreo shake. Chocolate Oreo shake, please. Yeah? Can you make that for me? You are tired. Hard thing about traveling and time differences is they do not want to sleep. So we deal with more whining and crying. Hopefully they adjust soon and start napping again. So you can be happier, huh? Let's be happy. Smile. Let me see you smile. loving Hawaii?
Yeah. Like, I don't want to go there or that because there's too many rocks. And look, what I just hurt. This one.
Oh.
And this one. That one. Like,
Yeah, you don't go out far, huh?
They only have out to like 2 outings.
Oh, but what do you love about Hawaii?
I love it about Hawaii when they like just cover me in a mermaid.
Oh, you like to be a mermaid?
So like I'm going right there and
Okay, go ahead.
and then,
You're going to join them?
yeah, and then I'm gonna go.
Oh, wow, she's getting the Ariel mermaid treatment. Wow.
Did I go this way?
She's actually smiled.
Wow.
Ariel.
Now look this way.
Look this way.
Wow. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. And watches galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. Look right here, Abe.
I want everybody to know where the people are.
I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Those feet. Lifting your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, walking around on those. What's the word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world. What is happening? Wow.
Part of the world.
Oh, we got 2 mermaids. One's crumbling. Wow. Wow, good job. Are you gonna break out, Abe? Oh, you're staying there? Good. Oh, that's true. At that part, she never breaks out. That's true. Does that feel good? Gotta learn somehow, right? Oh my gosh. But she's not learning. She's loving it. She loves the sand. No more, baby. No more. No more. No. Smile, everyone. 1, 2, 3. No, 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 no.
Nobody like me.
Be soft. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi, you're welcome.
Ears love her so much. Oh shoot, Jeff!
Buddy.
We just discovered he has a poopy diaper and he's been popping up like that. Oh my gosh. This is life with a bunch of littles. Get a new pack. Yay! Yay! Yes, 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 yes. Woohoo! Yes. Tell me more. Huh? Keep talking to me. Yay! Yeah. Say dada. Dada. Dada.
Hey, mama.
Say dada. Dada. Jeff served us up our yummy Seven Brothers Auntie Peggy's banana bread with ice cream. Ava's even eating hers. The boys are scavenging. We ate ours already.
Very delicious.
Vaz eating hers. Hannah could not hang anymore. That girl was so tired. But we see lots of turtles out. Oh, did you just see it pop up? There's a little baby one. There's lots of turtles that swim around here. It must be a good place to eat because they like hang out here. Let's see if I can get any of them on camera. Say hi, turtles. Say, come on, turtles. We want to see you. Because they're hungry. Oh, I saw him. He just popped up again. Ooh, he was in that wave. Time for Jeff to go out. Let's watch it, babe. Go.
They always swim away from me.
I know they do. Is that funny, Luca? Oh, it's so funny. Oh.
Hey, look.
Wow, those are some old pictures.
Doing our cheer. Everyone else is asleep, so we're doing it. This is our 10th time because Luca loves it. Okay, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 5. Together forever. I love you. So cute. You love that? Oh, again. Oh, okay. Here we go. One more time. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 5. Together forever. I love